Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate HubSpot CRM for real estate investor pipeline tracking, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate HubSpot CRM for real estate investor pipeline tracking, begin by visiting the HubSpot website. Click on the Get Started Free button to create your account. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a secure password. After entering your details, click on Create Account. Follow the prompts to verify your email address. Once verified, log in to your HubSpot account. In the dashboard, navigate to the settings icon located in the main navigation bar. From the left sidebar, click on Objects and then select Deals. Create a new deal pipeline by clicking on Add Pipeline. Name your pipeline something relevant, like real estate. Next, go to Contacts in the main menu. Add new contacts by clicking the Create Contact button. Fill in relevant information such as name, email, and phone number for each investor. To track properties, navigate to the Properties tab under Contacts. Click Create Property to add property-specific fields like property type, location, and price. Now, go back to Deals. Link properties to the respective deals by dragging. Use the task feature to set reminders for follow-ups with your contacts and deals. To visualize your pipeline, head back to the dashboard. Select Sales on the left sidebar, then click on Deals to see your newly created pipeline. You can filter deals by various criteria to better manage your investor relationships. Integrate your email with HubSpot CRM to streamline communication with your investors. This can be done by going back to Settings and selecting Email Integrations. Once set up, you can track all email communications related to your deals directly in the CRM. Use the reporting tools available in HubSpot to analyze your pipeline performance. Regularly update your pipeline stages as deals progress. Lastly, familiarize yourself with the HubSpot mobile app for on-the-go access to your real estate investor pipeline. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.